In this video, we're going to show you how to use option flow in real time to give yourself a trading edge. What's going on, everybody? We are back with TradeUI, and in this video, we're going to show you how to utilize option flow to give yourself a trading edge. The reason we want to utilize option flow is because right at the market open, what this does is it shows us where a lot of inflow or outflow of different size positions are coming into the market on a certain asset. So what I want to do is actually show you TradeUI. If you want to check out TradeUI, click that link in the description below, and you can access TradeUI for yourself. I want to set my filters up for ask because I look for people entering positions, because I always like to enter positions for a day trade. And you can utilize this for swing trading or long-term investing as well. But for now, for this video example, we're going to show you how to use it for scalping. So right out the gate, what I want to do is set my fill for ask, and you'll see all this option flow activity populate in real time. At first, there won't be as many top flow cards that come in, but as the day progresses, you'll see more top flow cards come in. That way you can determine what's getting some bull action today or some bear action today. The color of the card indicates if it's bullish or bearish based on the difference in the premium. Netflix, for example, right here, we have 5 calls totaled at $170,000 and 0 puts, giving us a net premium of $170,000. Well, vice versa, if we go over to, I'm just looking to see something, coin, for example, is a purple because we have 7 calls for $472,000 and we have 4 puts for $389,000. So the fact that you see this difference, it'll calculate it right here. That will tell you if the bulls or bears are winning right out the open in the markets. So what I want to do is actually show you a trade that I took this morning, if I can find the ticker, which is GFI. The reason I took GFI is right out the gate, what happened was we had some option contracts come in valued at nearly $250,000. Because these 2 contracts came in at the same time, one valued at $208,000, the other valued at $33,000. The execution price is $16.32, telling me that if I want to make the same amount of money as these guys, I need to get in at $16.32. Well, if I go over to my chart here, I'm actually going to show you right here in the corner GFI. And as you can see what happened on GFI today, if I zoom in, this pullback was a great opportunity to get in. I was able to snag some at $16.34 today, and as you can see, it ran up to $16.50 and sold off to the downside. But the thing is I made 20 cents a share on this, and you can too, just following quick trades like this. The fact that you made 20 cents on a $16 stock, that's still a good move to the upside. I grabbed 2,000 shares and made 300 bucks, so roughly about 1% of the trade was captured right here. And the reason it was 1% is because my entries position was right at 32,000. Nope, I'm sorry, it was 0.5% because I got, and get my calculator out right here, I got 2,000 shares at 16.34. So my entry was 32,000. I made 300 bucks, so I made right under 1% on this trade, which is a great trade. If you can make 1% a day trading stocks, you're going to see your account grow substantially. And all you got to do is find plays like that. So what I want to do is also see if anything else is moving based on this information. So I'm just going through here just to give you another example. Let's see. I like Nike right here. I want to see what's going on with Nike. So right out the gate, we had some calls come in. So we're going to see if this lines up with how Nike played out. Remember, we want to focus on right out the open, so 930 to 933. So these 3 contracts here. Not as much inflow as under 100,000, but that's fine. We can still look at it and see what happened. So if I go to the chart and I type in Nike. Alright, so Nike, looks like it popped right out the gate and it sold off substantially and then came right back up. So this is one of those, if you would have held, you would have profited on, because these guys, if we go back to our chart, they captured it at $82.80 and $83 a share. So as long as we're in under this level right here, you can see that that would have been a quick profit to the upside. Or if you're a little more cautious, what you can do as a trader is you can realize that we had a gap to fill at the open, because we actually opened up here, drove up, then we filled the gap from yesterday's close at $82.50, and then we ripped upward. So if you're a little more cautious, you could have gone, look at this option flow data and sat on your hands and realize, hey, Nike had a lot of bulls at the open, so I think this thing could continue to the upside. But guys, it's just as simple as that. All you have to do is find out where the option flow is directing you in the morning open. That way you can see what's driving up, what's pulling back, and when it's your time to get in on the trade. Guys, we're going to end the video here. Have a great day.